Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Chinese New Year Temple Fair is probably one of the most anticipated LEGO sets of the year, bringing the vibrant spirit and bustling atmosphere of traditional Lunar New Year celebrations right into your home with its intricate details and numerous minifigures. Number 5. LEGO Ideas 21319 Central Perk Building Kit. Step back in time to the beloved Central Perk Cafe. This brick-built version is packed with authentic details, ready to spark hilarious memories from the classic TV show. Unbox a detailed Central Perk studio set, complete with all 6 main characters and Gunther. Roleplay your favorite scenes with cool accessories included for endless fun. This 1070-piece collectible toy offers a rewarding building experience. It's perfect for adults aged 16+ who enjoy building solo or sharing the fun with loved ones. Compatible with existing LEGO construction toys, bricks, and characters. Create your own unique mashup models and tell your own stories with this versatile set. Measuring over 4 inches high, 11 inches wide, and 8 inches deep, this colorful gift makes a big impression. Display it proudly in any room or office to showcase your fandom. What we like. If you're a fan of a certain 90s sitcom, this set is a must-have. It perfectly recreates the beloved coffee shop with incredible detail. If you love nostalgia and want a display piece that sparks joy and conversation, this is the one for you. What people say. The set is a great addition to the Chinese New Year theme, with vibrant colors and intricate details that capture the festive spirit. The minifigures included are well designed and add significant playability to the set, especially the new characters introduced. Building the temple structure was an enjoyable experience, and the final model looks impressive on display. Number 4. LEGO Minecraft The Pig House 21170. Get ready for an exciting building adventure with this unique toy. It's shaped like a pig and packed with fun features for hours of play. This set includes the brave Alex, the notorious Creeper, and 2 adorable pigs. You'll also find accessories to bring your adventures to life. Discover hidden rooms inside the house, or use the special explosion function to blast it apart. Then, rebuild it in a whole new way. Take care of the 2 cute pigs, but watch out for the Creeper. Can you hide in the pig's head to stay safe from the ambush? This building toy brings the popular Minecraft game into the real world. It features beloved characters and exciting scenes for endless fun. Looking for a great gift for kids aged 8 and up? This building set is perfect for birthdays or holidays, offering a fantastic Minecraft experience. What we like. Looking for a playful and interactive building experience? This set offers a unique pig-shaped house with a fun surprise. It can be blown up and rebuilt. If you enjoy creative play and love the Minecraft world, this is a fantastic choice for endless fun. What people say. They keep coming up with fun stories with the figures, and the moving parts and pieces make it really interesting to play with. It's LEGO, so the instructions are extremely easy to follow, and it was fun. Comes with instruction and separate bags to classify the pieces, ready for adults and kids to enjoy. Number 3. LEGO Ideas Treehouse 21318. Introducing the LEGO Ideas Treehouse, a stunning model for builders aged 16 and up. This set offers an immersive building experience with incredible detail. Customize your treehouse with interchangeable leaves, switching between lush green for summer and warm yellow and brown for fall. It's a dynamic display piece that evolves with the seasons. Discover 3 distinct cabins, each with its own charm and accessories. From a cozy bedroom with a working crane to a fun kids' room and a detailed bathroom, there's always something new to find. The landscape base includes a picnic area by a stream, perfect for minifigure adventures. Removable roofs and treetops ensure easy access for imaginative play. This set comes complete with 4 minifigures, a mom, dad, and 2 children, plus a charming bird figure. Create stories and adventures with the whole family. More than just a toy, it's a beautiful display piece that celebrates creativity and imagination. Perfect for LEGO enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. What we like. For those who appreciate nature and intricate details, this set offers a stunning treehouse with customizable seasons. If you enjoy a challenging build and love the idea of a beautiful, adaptable display piece, this is an excellent option. What people say. The build was super fun and detailed, and it looks amazing on display with 2 different leaves. The detail on this Lego set was very precise. I enjoyed all the plant life and the detail in the rooms based on the interest. I also enjoyed the little hidden details, like there is a hidden gem and a map that goes with it. One of the standout features is the ability to change the leaves to reflect the different seasons, making it a set that can be displayed and enjoyed all year long. Number 2. LEGO Horizon Forbidden West Tallneck 76989. Bring the iconic Tallneck from Horizon Forbidden West to life with this incredible LEGO building set. It's a faithful recreation of one of the most recognizable machines from the game. This set perfectly captures the essence of the Tallneck with its unique disc-shaped head, antennae, and long legs. Every detail is meticulously replicated in LEGO style. Showcase your creation on a detailed display stand featuring a brick-built birch tree, tall grass, and a rusty stoplight. It adds a unique touch to your display. Complete the build with the LEGO minifigure of Horizon character Aloy, armed with a bow and brick-built spear. A Watcher LEGO figure with customizable eyes is also included. This collectible model kit for adults includes a booklet with step-by-step building instructions. Learn about the set's creation process as you build. With 1,222 pieces, this set makes a delightful gift for adults and Horizon gaming fans. It's a perfect Christmas or birthday present for yourself or a loved one. What we like. Are you a fan of the Horizon video game series? This set brings an iconic machine to life with stunning detail and a cool display base. If you're looking for a sophisticated display piece that celebrates your favorite game, this is the perfect collectible. What people say. The Tallneck build is very elegant, staying true to the in-game design with creative LEGO techniques to match all the shapes of the creature. Standing at over 13.5 inches in height, this display set is sure to demand attention in any room it is placed in. This set comes with one unique minifigure, Aloy, our protagonist in Horizon Forbidden West, sporting an amazing, exclusive hair design and printing throughout the minifigure, including arm printing. Number 1. LEGO Classic Creative Vehicles 11036. Unleash your imagination with this exciting building kit. Create and customize a variety of awesome vehicles, from speedy cars to cool trucks. Build a police car, an ice cream truck, an ATV, and so much more. With tons of colorful bricks and special pieces like wheels, the possibilities are limitless. This set is designed to inspire young builders. Easy-to-follow instructions and extra pieces encourage you to experiment and make each creation unique. It includes 10 fun ideas to get you started, but the real adventure begins when you create your own designs. Take your building skills to the next level. Looking for a gift for a car-loving kid? This building set is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. They'll love building all sorts of vehicles. Get building quickly with a simple picture guide. You can even combine it with other LEGO Classic sets to expand your creative world even further. More than just fun, this toy helps develop essential skills. Open-ended play encourages creative self-expression for young builders. What we like. If you want to spark endless creativity in young builders, this set is ideal. It provides a huge variety of bricks and ideas to construct all sorts of vehicles. If you're looking for a gift that encourages imagination and develops building skills, this is a fantastic choice for kids aged 5 and up. What people say. This set includes a variety of colors and sizes of bricks, including lots of special vehicle pieces like different sizes and styles of wheels, tires, and car accessory pieces. There are instructions to build a few vehicles included, but the real value is in the variety of pieces for creative free build opportunities. So they actually have all the cars sectioned off in little baggies with corresponding directions. And then it also has other bags full of wheels and other Legos to just create your own cars. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.